Hey, love, take a breath with me. Let your shoulders drop. Unclench your jaw. Feel into whatever surface is holding you right now. This short audio isn't a lecture, it's an invitation, an unlearning, a reclamation. Today, we're talking about something that might sound simple, but for many of us is one of the hardest things we've ever tried to do: trusting your body's wisdom. If you were raised in a high control system, whether that was religious, cultural, family-based, or just emotionally unsafe, chances are your body wasn't seen as a trustworthy guide. It was something to discipline, ignore, override, or shame. Maybe you were taught that your hunger was dangerous, that your desire needed permission, that your pain was imaginary, that your body had to be fixed before it could be honored. And if you're neurodivergent or trauma impacted, your body might not always speak the way others expect. It might scream in silence. It might whisper in aches. It might shut down when it most needs care. That doesn't mean it's broken, it means it's brilliant, and it's time we started listening. Here's the reframe I want to offer. Your body doesn't need to be calm to be trustworthy. It doesn't need to be symmetrical, regulated, or healed to hold wisdom. It just needs space. Space to be heard without judgment. Space to be in sensation without needing to make sense. Space to be yours. This isn't about decoding your body like a puzzle. It's about building relationship. Just like with another person, it takes time, consent, curiosity. You don't have to know exactly what your body's saying right away. Start by noticing what feels like a no. Start by honoring what pulls you in without shame. That's wisdom. Even if it's quiet, even if it's weird, even if it doesn't match what someone else thinks should feel good. If you're not sure where to begin, here's a practice you can try anytime. Place your hand somewhere on your body that feels neutral or comforting. Chest, belly, thighs, heart, whatever feels accessible today. Ask softly, either aloud or in your mind. Hey body, what do you need me to know today? Wait, listen. Don't fill the silence. You might feel a sensation, see an image, hear nothing at all. That's okay. Whether you get clarity or confusion, say back, I'm listening, I'm here. That moment right there, that's the work, that's the healing, that's the wisdom. Your body isn't holding you back, it's holding your history, and it will hold your future too. You don't have to drag it toward joy, it's already reaching for it with you. So take one breath, one sensation, one tiny moment of permission, and say to yourself, I don't need to earn the right to feel. I'm allowed to trust what's real for me, even if no one else understands it yet. Thanks for being here, love. Thanks for trusting your body just a little more today. See you in the next breath.